A wintry day here in the valley with fresh snow, and that fresh snow will contribute to helping us really get cold tonight. You're looking at a live view from our Valley Skycam here in South Fargo out to the west, where you can still see some hints of light on the horizon. Here is a look at some things to keep in mind because we have a lot of weather to talk about. It's going to be brutally cold tonight. In fact, some of the coldest temperatures of the season for many of us, with actual air temperatures 25 to 30 below zero as we dive into the overnight and tomorrow morning. Wind chills will approach 50 below. That means wind chills can cause that frostbite to occur within minutes of exposure. So bundle up out there. A brutal morning, sub-zero all day, with the wind picking up late in advance of the next winter storm that takes hold. There are already winter storm watches hoisted. Blizzard potential will be out there as we go through the weekend, so some travel woes likely as we head from Friday night into Saturday. Here's a look at your current conditions. It's 7 below, but it feels 20 degrees colder than that. 27 below wind chill. Most areas have winds between 10 and 20 miles per hour. They're from the northwest. And here's the cold air in Langdon, 15 below, 12 below Devils Lake and Grand Forks. A little bit warmer to the south and east where we have single-digit readings, but everyone below zero at this hour. And factor in those winds, and we have wind chills that are already brutal. Here's a look at that snow that we saw today moving out of the Duluth area. Still a few snow showers showing up on the radar in the Devils Lake Basin, where wind chills are 35 to 40 below right now. Where you see these dark colors here, that's where it's the most brutal. And imperative that you make sure you have a survival kit in your vehicle should you get stranded by roadside with temperatures and wind chills like this. It's just flat out dangerous. So make sure you keep something in that survival kit to stay warm in your vehicle. Wind chill advisory for the entire area as we go through the overnight hours, as temperatures will dive down into the teens below. By tonight at 10 o'clock, will be near 20 below in many places. By morning, air temperatures between 20 and 30 below. I think Fargo will be 25 to 27 below first thing in the morning, and this area all the way up through here, Polk County, Boston, Red Lake County, up toward Pennington County, we're going to have some brutal temperatures. And I think a few of us, particularly in Bemidji, our model not getting you cold enough in Bemidji. I think you're going to be closer to 30 to 33 below by morning. Then, as we start our day, we warm up, but only slowly, and the wind picks up in the afternoon. Single-digit readings with winds 15 to 25 miles per hour means wind chills will still be 30 below. Just a brutal and nasty day. 11 below. For the afternoon drive time, home temperature in Grand Forks, 10 below the air temperature up in Langdon, and down to the far south, Sisseton, 5 below zero. All right, here is a look at the winter storm watch that has been posted for Friday and into Saturday. Now, as this storm moves up on Friday, there is the potential for thunder in the snow. Thunder and snow, that's how much moisture and energy is coming up with this system. So we'll have very heavy bands of snow, likely south and east as we go through Friday night and into Saturday morning, and then comes the winds. So with the fluffy, flaky snow we have on the ground right now, and the additional snow that this storm provides, and the wind, we could have blizzard-like conditions in open country with all of these northwest winds with this storm. How much snow? The American model and the European model are getting more in agreement, but they're not there yet. 3 to 6 in Fargo with the dark blues, 6 plus between here and the Twin Cities. So more of a Minnesota impact and a Southern Valley impact than up in the Northern Valley. Here's the European model, shows that most of that heavy stuff, but even heavier snow amounts in central Minnesota. So any travel across the region, particularly south and southeast of Fargo-Moorhead, will be tricky. Beautiful shot here. Let's take a look at that forecast then. Friday, late in the day, snow begins. Look at the temperature, pretty nice. And oh yeah, don't forget, you might hear a rumble of thunder in there too, lasting into Saturday. Then as we head into the weekend, it does look like we're going to see temperatures that will dive once again after we get more fresh snow, Mike. Martin Luther King Jr. Day, beginning at 18 below.
We got to be careful next couple of days.
Indeed. Check on your neighbors.
All right, thanks.